It's starting to snow. Go down the road with the extension up. There's just too many low wires. Whenever you say the harvest is done, you're actually done picking, cutting, harvesting, combining, whatever. But now it's time to get the machine back to the shop. Then we'll come back, get the header in the truck. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the tarp on the truck, because if I don't, it'll start raining or snowing. So I know the sun's shining now, but it was actually just hail and snow a minute ago. So we'll get that done, pull the ladder in, and head down to the shop. We made it to town. Let's see if we can sneak across the bridge. It's the drawbridge that's tricky, because we pretty much take up the whole thing. So we let this big rig come through. We let this car come through. And then we hope that the other people wait a second. And then we can go here, where this driveway is. Then they scoot by. And then we get on the bigger bridge. This bridge is a little bit wider. So if I go right tight to the guardrail on my right, there's usually plenty of room on the left, but nobody coming, so it's working out. We'll take it. It's not super busy today. There have been days where it just lands that we have to cross in the middle of rush hour. And people are like that fella. They're just not going to wait. We're back. Now it's time to head back up and grab the truck and the head. Alright, we're back up to the field. Rick has hooked onto the head. He's going to go out. There's a driveway over there. I had to get out, but you saw him go by there with it, so he didn't get stuck. So we're out of here. Just like that, the weather goes from a little bit of sun to snowing and blowing. So we are absolutely thrilled to be done. We are back. Got the truck back. The dryer is still working, but it's gonna work for a while. And that's all right. It's starting to snow. That's all right too. This is awesome. I love having the feeling of it's gonna snow. We don't really care. I don't like snow and cold. So, till the next one.